Hello. Today we are demonstrating the UNIFLEX USM2 manual skiving tool. This economical and efficient tool is capable of both internal and external skiving. The USM2 comes in a package including the hand tool, 6 internal skivers, 11 different mandrels used when doing external skiving, all stored in a compact, handy storage rack. This package is capable of externally skiving 3 16th inch to 2-inch hose and internally skiving from 5/8 inch to 2-inch hose. The total package weighs about 35 pounds. We will demonstrate the tool by skiving a 1-inch piece of hose. We will remove the external rubber 40 millimeters from the end of the hose. After fixing the tool into a bench-mounted vise, the technician selects the correct mandrel and puts it into the tool and secures it. We have marked the hose for the length of the skive and now adjust the mandrel to provide a positive stop for our skive length. Then we set the skiving depth to remove the desired amount of rubber cover. You can see how easily and cleanly this efficient tool removes the rubber cover. Prior to skiving, we used the UNIFLEX SSG hose cover slitter. By doing so, the rubber skived from the hose falls off in small chunks. The SSG tool is much easier and safer than trying to score the rubber with a carpet knife or box cutter. And here is the skived hose. And here you see the UNIFLEX SSG.